In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product images to Shopify. This process is straightforward, but it's important to get it right to ensure your products look their best to potential customers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Shopify. If you're using a computer or mobile device, just open your preferred browser and type in shopify.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control center where you manage everything related to your store, from products to payments. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and once you're logged in, you should be on the dashboard. Next, take a look at the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of options like Home, Orders, and Customers. For our purpose today, you'll want to click on Products. This will take you to a page that lists all the products you've uploaded to your store, whether they're published or drafts. It's the heart of your store's inventory management. If you want to add images to a new product, look for the button that says Add Product. This will open a fresh page where you can input all the necessary details for this new addition. However, if you're looking to add images to an existing product, simply skim through your list of products and click on the name of the product you wish to edit. This will take you directly to the product's editing page. Now, focus on the section labeled Media. This is where your product images will go. To add a new image, find and click the option labeled Upload New. It's a straightforward process. Just select the image file from your computer that you want to showcase. Make sure your images are of high quality. Clear professional photos can truly make a difference in catching a customer's eye. Consider using JPEG or PNG files for optimal results, as they tend to load faster without losing quality. After you've uploaded your desired images, make sure everything looks good and the images are in the order you want them presented. Depending on your theme and customization settings, the first image may be the main display picture for your product, so choose wisely. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom right of the page. Clicking this ensures your images are uploaded and your changes are securely in place. And there you have it. You've successfully added product images to your Shopify store. This simple yet crucial step will enhance your store's visual appeal and help customers better understand what they're purchasing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!